Morning sickness, a common companion of pregnancy, can turn the joy of expecting into a daily challenge. It's a misnomer, though, as this queasy feeling can strike at any time of day. For many, it's a hurdle that must be managed with care. Understanding this phenomenon is the first step. It's believed to be caused by the surge of hormones in the body. While it's often a sign of a healthy pregnancy, it doesn't make the experience any less daunting. But why do some experience it more intensely than others? That remains a mystery. Let's dive into some tips. Eating small, frequent meals can keep nausea at bay, as an empty stomach often worsens the feeling. Stick to bland, easy-to-digest foods like crackers or dry toast, especially first thing in the morning. Hydration is key, but sip fluids slowly throughout the day to avoid triggering your stomach. Ginger has natural anti-nausea properties, so consider ginger tea or ginger chews. Prenatal vitamins are essential, but take them with food or before bed to minimize discomfort. There are additional tricks to try. Fresh air can work wonders, so step outside or keep a window open. Some find relief in acupressure wristbands, designed to apply pressure to certain points believed to reduce nausea. If scents are a trigger, avoid strong odors and perhaps find a soothing scent like lemon or mint that can help settle your stomach. Remember, every pregnancy is unique. If morning sickness is more than a mild annoyance, it's important to consult a healthcare provider. They can offer tailored advice and support for your journey.